Top of the morning. Oh, let's do this. My fair-skinned, super natural makeup look. So I have just woken up and all I do every morning to wash my face, because I don't like stripping my skin of its natural oils, cleanse my face with the face wipe. And I have wet hair right now because I'm just letting it sit in deep conditioner. My eyes look a little puffy. I just need to chug more water, I think. I'm a little dehydrated. I already chugged 1 glass. So this just gets off any of the excess product that hasn't soaked into my skin from last night. What I would prefer to do is use some of the Healy toners. I love her toners, they are gorgeous. All I do, maybe I'll like tweeze a little bit, click on my vanity mirror and get going with how do I treat my skin right now. So the way I like to treat my makeup is it's all about skincare first and foremost, making my skin look really, really good first and foremost. So a lot of this video is going to be about skincare, but I'm using right now because I had 500 points at Sephora, a little over 500. So I bucked up and stopped trying to save them and just got this. This is a 500 point gift, BIOSSANCE, and it's the Clean Reset Kit. It says, elevate your everyday routine with clean, effective skincare. I've been using it nonstop, let's see, the past 3 days. I know it's not like the greatest amount of time to really test the products, but I've already seen big results with it. My skin, I think, I haven't been good about moisturizing my skin. And so this, I'm using all 4 of the products that come in this kit. It's kind of gotten me back on track with really taking care of that problem. So Squalane is the main ingredient they're known for. This is the retinol serum. Okay, this little hair is driving me crazy, so I'm gonna just pin it back. And then the second step is the eye gel, which I'm excited to use this today, especially because it's supposed to help with puffiness. This brand is nice and thick and more of like an ointment kind of texture to me, less of like a gel. And what I'm really happy that they included in this kit is the vitamin C rose oil. I love vitamin C, y'all. I've seen incredible results from incorporating vitamin C every single day into my skincare, and I've heard so many good things about rose oil. Look how tiny this little dropper is, how cute. I'm excited to use this up. Let's start right here and do a little quick facial massage. You start in between your eyes. Oh, that feels good. I do feel a little congested this morning. And the last step of this is the Squalane plus Omega Repair Cream. It's a night and day cream. Just gonna dot a little bit because I feel like my face still looks pretty shiny from all these beautiful products, but that's okay. It's just still soaking in. It takes time. So I'll let this all soak in for another 10 more minutes, and then the actual makeup part will probably take, you know, less than 10 minutes because it's pretty fast. I'm just gonna use concealer as my foundation today. So I'm gonna click it up. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and the color that's working for me is Ivory. So I'm guessing this is the lightest shade you can get. And I don't really like to put much around my eyes because I feel like that's the giveaway when you have makeup on, when you put it especially around the nose and right here to conceal like your dark circles. I have freckles, so it's like, why would my freckles all of a sudden disappear just right here and then they show up again like right below it? So I try to just be very gentle and ginger with this area. So mostly dot it around the nose where it's red. I have a little blemish right here, so dot there. And I love this because it's hydrating and it's sheer. So I'm gonna just put a tiny bit on the tip of my nose and put a tiny bit below the shadow. Dot it just where I have imperfections. I have freckles right on my lips, like on the edges of my lips. I kind of like for those to show through. I don't have any, my forehead's usually super clear. The skin's really good there usually. So that's all I'm gonna put is just little dots where I need it and then blend. I just wanna use my fingers today. Put a touch on my eyelids just to even them out. I'm gonna go in with my Well Rested powder from Bare Minerals and the Bare Minerals Seamless Buffing Brush with Antibacterial Charcoal. I love this combination. And with Bare Minerals, I feel like it still shows, everything shows through. It's just not like a full coverage concealer look. Okay, and I think we're good. So I still feel like I can see my freckles. My skin looks just nice and dewy. and fresh. And I'm gonna put a little bit up here. Okay, so now I've kind of gone back. I've harkened back to high school. I used to love this stuff, and I wanted to just give it another shot. It's the Revlon Brow Fantasy by Colorstay and just the color Brunette. And I loved how it was a gel, you know, with a spoolie, and then it was also a pencil to fill in for your eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna put on some glowiness. This is the Strobe Cream Hydrant Pinklight. That's what the shade is called. It's great for fair skin. I actually sometimes even use this as the primer and put it all over my face so it has a nice dewiness underneath, which I kind of wish I had done today, but. And put on some blush. Let's give myself a little bit of glow. This is the Nars, the Multiple, in the shade Orgasm. Just on top of the cheekbone. Just for a little bit of color, I'm gonna put on some butter bronzer in the shade. It's the light bronzer, so for more fair skin. And my Flower Beauty brush. Fluffy brush. Just a little bit of dimension. And then the Rocket mascara. This is my OG favorite mascara. I keep going back to it time and time again. It doesn't flake off on my face, and it just gives, it's more of a volumizing mascara. So I'll show you what I do after this to add a little bit more length. I'm struggling with my eyelashes recovering from eyelash extensions, so they're a little weak sauce right now. I apologize. And just because the Nars, you know, multiple stick, it's more of a glow, I'm gonna add a touch more pop of color with my ColourPop stick cream blush, and just add, this is so pigmented, you have to be very gentle. And then I'm gonna swipe just a little bit of the excess onto my eyes, because I like that look. Also add a little bit of length. I just like to use the Mega Lash Length Mascara by Wet n Wild. This is the repackaged version. It's usually dark, like royal purple. So this is a lengthening mascara. I just like the combination of the Rocket and this. This is a Sexy Mother Pucker in the shade Bare Enough by Soap and Glory. And to add a little bit more pop, I love this, by the way. It really has a tingly sensation because it's plumping. So just to add a little bit more pop of color, I just got this. This is the Sephora Rouge Lip Tint in the color Ruby. Long-lasting lip tint. It is long-lasting. It's a lip stain. You have to be very, very gentle with this. And I like to mix it with other colors because it's harder to spread just by itself. Okay. And we're done, girlfriend. This is like my chill. I want to look like healthy and put together and flawless at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed making these so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with what else you would like to see. Okay, bye-bye.